cautionary tale of greed, corruption, and milkshakes.
I drink it up!
Although never actually seen, this metaphorical milkshake does a lot more than just bring the boys to the yard.
Something you won't find anywhere else.
In this series, we're exploring iconic tipples from the silver screen.
Give me a milk. Chocolate.
With recipes to slurp along with your favourite characters.
This drink, I like it. Another!
Join us as we sip on cinema.
If you have a milkshake, and I have a milkshake, and I have a straw, there it is. That's a straw, you see. Watching. And my straw reaches across the room and starts to drink your milkshake. I drink your milkshake. I drink it up!
Don't bully me, Daniel!
You're going to need 250 grams of strawberries, washed and cut into quarters.
Little by little.
Stick the strawberries in a blender. Add 100 millilitres of whole milk.
Goat's milk.
Very good, sir.
Next, add 300 millilitres of vanilla ice cream. Use the best quality ice cream that you can, as it's going to really impact the flavour and creaminess of your milkshake.
It'll be harder to reach. Once we find it, we can take it right out.
And a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blitz it up until it's smooth.
Won't be a minute.
For a final touch of flair, crush some freeze-dried strawberries into a powder. Pour your luscious pink concoction into your glass and top it off with whipped cream.
That's good.
And sprinkle the freeze-dried strawberries on top of the cream.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
And that's all, folks. Strawberry milkshake. Slurp quickly before.
I drink your milkshake.
You can find all our recipes and any equipment used in this video on our website, linked in the description box below. And remember, the first rule of Bite Club is, you talk about Bite Club.